I'm getting ready for a trip, a fairly long trip that's coming up. Um, I'm actually, I think, heading back to Florida for a short trip in the next couple of weeks, and I'm going to see if I can take you on the journey with me. And then after that, I'm going to be headed the opposite direction. I'm going to be headed west, and that's going to be a 2 week long trip. So, um, we got some adventures coming up. So, I wanted to show you a few of the things that I just bought for my travels. And I don't know if you travel often, if you have trouble packing, but I found a couple of really cute bags that might help you organize your suitcase, and especially when you go on a longer trip like I'm going to go on in 2 weeks, you might can use these bags. So, check it out. Let's go. So Annie's gonna help me, I think, show you what I got going on here. Okay, so this is my big suitcase. Now, if you're going on a 2 week trip, yeah, honey, get the big one. I've got, sorry, Annie. I've got this big suitcase. So I guess Annie's gonna help me out here. So when you're going on a 2 week long trip, you need a big suitcase. By the way, this one is a Jessica Simpson suitcase that I found at, I can't even remember. It was a store in a mall in Dallas. To be honest with you, I don't know where I found it, but it is quite large. And for those 2 week long road trips, yeah, I don't think I could do with much less room. Let's see if Annie can fit in here and show you kind of how big this suitcase is. Yep, I think it's plenty big. So these are, and I hope I am saying this right. I tried to research and see if I was pronouncing this correctly, but the name brand of these bags is either MIAMICA, but I'll spell it for you. It's MIAMICA. That's the name brand of these bags. And these are, of course, bags for travel. One's going to be a laundry bag over there on the left. And then we've got these little compartment bags that you can put all your smaller items in. But, you know, basically, this kind of does away with having to use plastic bags and things like that. So, I mean, you're using these reusable bags, they're not plastic. We all want to help the environment and look cute doing it. So that's why I thought I would check these out. And I found these on Amazon. Okay, so these are little compartment bags that you can kind of organize your stuff in and just stack it in your suitcase. So one you may put like underwear, socks in, things like that, because usually what I do is I just kind of throw them in the side of the suitcase and they're kind of all wadded up in there. And sometimes you have to kind of ruffle through the whole suitcase to try to find your smaller items. And here you can put it in a bag like this and just stack it in the bottom of your suitcase. Or if you've got little cords like your cell phone cords or electronics, small things like that, you can kind of put those in a little bag like this. Or your toiletries, you can sort them out and put them in one of these little bags. And I thought these were super cute because look what they, Adventure awaits. Away we go. It's really cute. And then pack well. And these are pretty hardy material. You know, I don't think they're going to get damaged very easily. So, and if they do get dirty, this is kind of that material where you can just take a wet cloth or something and wipe them right off. So, yeah, I love this. It's got the 2 zippers on it. And, I mean, it doesn't get much cuter than that with the sands on it. I'm like, okay, this is... It's not only functional, but it's cute. Annie, are you enjoying the suitcase? Do you want to go? You want to go with me? Huh? So this is a laundry bag. And I don't know about y'all, but typically when I travel, I if I'm at a hotel, they will normally give you those plastic bags from the hotel to put your clothes in, and I save those and use those as my laundry bags on the road. Yeah, so those bags rip. After a while, they get dirty and they're just kind of nasty. So I looked for an alternative on Amazon and did find this, I'm sorry again, MIAMICA laundry bag. Okay, so it looks small, but this thing, when you unzip it, it opens up to 22 inches by 21 inches. It's a fairly large laundry bag, and so especially on longer trips, this is probably something that is probably going to be more useful to me. I'm going to have more clothes going into this bag and just keeping them away from the clean clothes. And, you know, if I need to do laundry, I can always carry this down to the laundromat or whatever with me. But let me show you what it looks like when I open it up and how big it actually is. But look at this saying on here. I thought that was pretty cute for dirty laundry. What'd you think, Annie? So this is kind of hard to do with one hand, but I'm going to unzip it for you here. Just kind of show you how it kind of folds in itself, and you can zip it back up so that you can pack it really easy. But you just kind of pull it out here. Sorry, let me get it all out. So, yeah, you can see, I mean, it's not a huge laundry bag, but it's quite big, especially compared to if you're just toting around one of those hotel plastic bags. So the material of the bag, sorry, Annie decided to sit on it, is actually really durable, really lightweight. It is machine washable, and in the description on Amazon when I bought it, it said it is moisture resistant. So that helps, you know, when you're putting dirty clothes in, or maybe a dirty swimsuit or something like that. But there is a drawstring on it. It's a drawstring bag. So really easy to navigate and use, and isn't that right? Just wanted to give you a little idea of what I'm carrying with me on my trip. It's the longest trip that I've taken in a while. 2 weeks is a while, so I'm going to need all the space I can get in my suitcase, and I'm going to need all the help I can get. So I'm going to leave the links for those products in the description of the video if you want to check them out. They're really cute. They have several different designs of the little compartment bags, of the laundry bags. They have different products with really cute designs on it. So I'd recommend you check them out if you need anything, whether it's for travel or around the house. So I hope you check it out and make sure you click the link. Amy says thanks for watching.